I am sure you all have heard the recent news about the magic cancer drug Dostarlimab. The trial was made with 12 cancer patients, and in the trial the tumor of 12 patients with a particular cancer disappeared. 100% remission. It has happened for the first time in the history of cancer. So let's understand in details. Hello friends, I am Poonam and you are watching Biology Explained. This study was done from Memorial Sloan Kettering Cancer Center, New York. 12 patients has completed the treatment with this drug and had 6-month follow-up. The patients who were enrolled in the clinical trial had colorectal tumor and were in the stage 2 or 3. They had a specific genetic makeup called mismatch repair deficient. So remember, they are at stage 2 or 3 of their rectal cancer and they had a specific genetic makeup mismatch repair deficient. The plan was to give them the drug Dostarlimab every 3 weeks for 6 months and then they will be given the standard treatments like chemotherapy and or surgery. 12 patients completed the treatment and they were followed for 6 months. What did they found was really a miracle. After treatment with Dostarlimab, all the 12 patients showed no signs of tumor. That is, the tumor vanished in all the 12 patients. Wow, that's miracle. One drug and the tumor is gone completely in 100% of the patients. So they did not require further treatments like chemotherapy or surgery. It's what cancer doctors' dream are made of, said Dr. Andrea Kirkett, the researcher and co-author of the paper. This is the first time in history of cancer research that 100% of the patient tumor vanished. Now, what is this drug Dostarlimab? Dostarlimab is an immunotherapy drug. That is, it teaches our immune system to recognize the cancer cells and thus kill them. A particular type of immune cells called T effector cells, when they get a signal that something is wrong, they will try to kill those cells. Before they declare the war and start killing, they ask other cells, shall I move forward? Now the immune system will not talk, right? So they have a molecule called PD-1, that is programmed cell death protein 1. It's like a brake. If the brake is pulled, the cells won't go for war. But if the brake is not pulled, then the cells will go for war. Now, in an ideal condition, in a healthy cell, when some abnormalities are there, the brake won't be pulled and these cells will kill the abnormal cells. Now, what the cancer cells does is that they pull the brake and stop the war. See how intelligent cancer cells are. So, the cancer cells will survive and grow as the war is called off. Now, what the drug Dostarlimab does, it blocks the brake of these cells. That is, it hides the brake. So, the cancer cells cannot stop the brake and thus the war is on and the cancer cells die. Isn't it interesting? Just by hiding a brake, you can target the cancer cells and kill them. Dostarlimab is sold under the brand name Jemperli. Dostarlimab was approved for medical use in United States and also in European Union in April 2021. So the safety of the drug is already built. That's why it is approved. And what about the side effects? None of the patients showed severe side effects. In general, 3 to 5% of the patients show side effects after taking Dostarlimab. So far, wonderful. But experts also caution that although this is a wonder drug, but we need much bigger trial. 12 patients are very small for a trial. Researchers are going to enroll 30 participants for their complete study. I have told you earlier that these patients are mismatch repair deficient. So, is this drug going to work in people who do not have mismatch repair deficient? Time will give the answer. But 5 to 10% of the rectal cancer patients have mismatch repair deficient. So lot of colorectal cancer patients will get the benefit of this drug. Trial on other type of cancers with mismatch repair deficient will tell us how efficient this drug is in curing other cancers as well. The patients were followed for 6 months to 25 months and none had any signs of tumor until this time. They will be followed for longer time. Cancer is one of the deadliest diseases and colorectal cancer is the second most cause of cancer death. So if we can get a cure for this, it will be really a miracle. Now the another question is, what about price? Will it be affordable for most of us? Let's see. But we all have to acknowledge that this is a great breakthrough in the cancer science and thus needs a high five from all of us. That's it for today guys. If you found this video informative, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more updates. Thank you.